So you're getting some good use out of your Spanish, you're chatting with a native Spanish speaker, and they say something to you super fast and you have no idea what they just said. What do you do in those situations? Well, today I'm gonna give you 7 ways to say I don't understand in Spanish. So here we go. Hola amigos, Jim here from Spanish and Go, your resource for learning real-world travel Spanish. And today I'm going to talk about something that happens to everyone learning a language. It certainly happened to me probably hundreds if not thousands of times at this point. Talking to someone in Spanish, you're having this conversation, and all of a sudden they say something that you don't completely understand. What do you do in that situation? So, here are 7 ways that you can say, I don't understand in Spanish. Número 1. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? One simple word to say, what? Say that with the confused look on your face and you will definitely relay the message that you didn't understand what the other person said. Number 2. ¿Me lo puedes repetir, por favor? Could you repeat that, please? Sure, you're not exactly saying that you didn't understand, but it gets the message across that you need them to repeat a certain part. Number 3. Otra vez. You're just saying again with this one, very short, very simple, gets the point across that you didn't understand what was being said. Number 4, the classic, I do not understand, I did not understand, no entiendo, no entiendo, or no entendí. So that's, I don't understand, no entiendo, or I didn't understand, no entendí. Number 5, una vez más, por favor. Una vez más, por favor. One more time, please. Or again, please. This is kind of like the other one, otra vez, but just another way to say it. Número 6. ¿Qué dijiste? What did you say? ¿Qué dijiste? This is pretty straightforward. What did you say? If you're talking to someone older than you or someone that you want to show more respect to, you would use the formal you and say, ¿Qué dijo? ¿Qué dijo? And in Spanish, that the going up in the question, the intonation going up at the end of the sentence, super important to really help make the differentiation that you are asking a question. And before we get to the last one, guys, I just want to say thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel and Spanish tips. So, número 7. Más lento, por favor. Slower, please. Más lento. And that's all there is to it, guys. This video is short and sweet to help you relay to the other person you're talking to that you didn't understand what they said. So I hope that helps, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it, and remember, el camino es el destino. The journey is the destination. Thanks for watching, guys. Nos vemos pronto.